सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Carraro India Limited, NSE Carraro, BSE 5,44,320, received a favorable outcome from the Director General of Audit, Central, Mumbai regarding a customs audit observation. The audit, concerning the classification of imported epicycloidal ring gear, had alleged a short levy of duty. The rejoinder, received on April 16, 2025, closed the observation in favor of the company, reducing its contingent liability by 2,22,39,527 rupees. Nesco Limited has received a final order from SEBI dated April 15, 2025, imposing a penalty of 5 lakh rupees for non-compliance related to the continuation of an independent director after the expiry of their tenure. The penalty is imposed under Sections 15AB and 15HB of the SEBI Act, 1992. The company will pay the penalty. The order cites non-compliance with regulations related to board composition, disclosures, and corporate governance. Nesco Limited has been penalized 5 lakh rupees by SEBI for multiple violations of the Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements (LODR) regulations 2015 and the Companies Act 2013. The violations include the improper continuation of an independent director beyond his term, failure to obtain timely shareholder approvals for director appointments, and delayed disclosure of a postal ballot notice. SEBI noted the company's disclosure of the director's overstay and implementation of corrective measures, but emphasized that the violations reflect disregard for corporate governance norms and undermine investor confidence. Dabaria Bollywood Limited subsidiary, Dynasty Modular Furnitures Private Limited, has received a work order from DLF Group for the supply and installation of modular kitchen, vanity, and medicine cabinets. The order value is 4 rupees and 54 paise crore, including GST, and is to be executed within 12 months. Power and Instrumentation, Gujarat, Limited, PIGL, received a work order worth 80,24,000 Indian rupees from Godrej and Boyce Manufacturing Company Limited for 350 MV power transformer erection, oil filtration, pre-erection test, and oil sample test at 400 kV KISS PSS2 JIPL, Khavra project. The order is to be executed within 1 month from the date of acceptance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।